constantly adheres to innovative development and open cooperation, establishing the Dahua Think Sharp strategy to create more possibilities for urban digital innovation and digital intelligence transformation of enterprises. We empower cities with digital intelligence to make urban governance more efficient, make urban traffic smoother, travel more convenient, transportation safer, and operation more efficient by using sensing and scenario intelligence, effectively assisting every departure and arrival. Witness the beauty of nature and the growth of life with digital intelligence. Share a colorful world with everyone, and let people live in harmony with nature. Use connectivity and intelligence to detect hidden threats. Provide security at all times, and improve prevention capabilities for disasters. Build a bridge between knowledge and classrooms to make educational environments, resources, management, and services more intelligent, and assist in creating an integrated, open, flexible, and intelligent education system. Build connection between people and buildings in order to make the environment more comfortable, work more efficient, and management more intelligent. Shift from traditional to smart manufacturing with visualized production capabilities, reducing cost, increasing efficiency, and stimulating vitality. Enable smart and digital production, help enterprises operate efficiently, and accelerate the upgrading of digital intelligence. With innovation as the core, we have introduced digital intelligence to ensure biological safety, protect the healthy growth of crops, and revitalize traditional agriculture. Dahua GITEX helps upgrade the digital intelligence of small and medium-sized enterprises, continuously reducing the limitations of digital intelligence and enabling thousands of industries to enjoy the benefits of science and technology. We always adhere to the comprehensive opening of technology, business, and resources, and jointly build a co-construction, win-win, and symbiotic ecosystem with our partners. We believe that innovation has no boundaries. The burgeoning fire of development has been lit, and the new AIoT world is now flourishing. As a world-leading video-centric AIoT solution and service provider, from video surveillance to the field of AIoT, we are firmly committed to our core technology strategies, AIoT and IoT digital intelligence platforms. Constantly utilizing our video-centric 5-fold capabilities that include full sensing, full intelligence, full connection, full computing, and full ecosystem, and leading the development of the industry. We constantly explore fundamental technology research and pursue high product quality. We are both creators and explorers. We have built an advanced smart digital factory of the future with a complete quality system, achieving lean and intelligent manufacturing. We have established a global supply and delivery service network to continuously improve customer experience. We are committed to delivering our corporate social responsibility, leading sustainable development, and making continuous efforts in building a greener and safer digital world.
Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sherif Ragab from Dahua Technology Middle East and North Africa. Today we will cover a very important topic that we covered in GITEX 2024. Yes, there was no drone over there or UEVs, but this topic specifically the application of UEVs in our physical security field. It's a very important topic and lots of questions we receive regarding Dahua has this product. Yes, we have, and I will explain to you today what kind of products and models we have and what are the specifications that you should be aware of and what are the applications and scenarios that we can consider when we discuss with clients that they want to cover big space, as an example for physical security, and how the UAVs can help us to cover this part. So let's move to our PowerPoint. For UAV especially, we have this product, the UAV inspection solution, and you will find the product under the WISCAN name, or the WISCAN sub-company that Dahua has. So the slogan for this solution, which is technology promote industrial innovation. When you see, or when you face a drone in the streets and someone is playing with a drone, you will think that most of the UAVs are just for gaming or playing, but in our field, the drone itself, it has a lot of applications. But let's first start with some terminology that we should be aware of. Like, as an example, the UAS, or the unmanned aircraft systems. So today we will discuss a part of the UAS, or unmanned aircraft systems, which will be the UAV. UAV here stands for unmanned aerial vehicle, and sometimes we call it drone, sometimes we call it quadcopter, but this term, which is the UAV, can be a quadcopter, can be a hexacopter. It's different models and different specifications that we need to be aware of. And also there is a very important term, which is unmanned combat aerial vehicle, which is the UAVs that it is dedicated for military use. And when it comes to military use, of course, it will be having different communication or sophisticated communication modules, and it will be having different specification. Today we will cover the UAV that Dahua provide for market. And also there is an important term, which is unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, which is, you will find in Dahua we have different models of UGV we use for fire fighting. So also I will show you a video for such a vehicle, for the UGV, so you can understand what kind of application UGV can be used. So Dahua has UAV and UGV. For the surface vessel, USV, unmanned surface vessel, which is the vessels that can be used remotely to implement also inspections and sometimes to deliver products across water. And also unmanned underwater vehicle, which is UUV, which is it's a submarine, but you can remote control it from distance, and also it can operate without having any person inside the vehicle itself. So UUV and ROUV are almost the same, which is remotely operated underwater vehicle. They are the same. So now we will discuss today about the UAV, which is a part of the UAS, the unmanned aircraft systems, and later on we will discuss about UGV, and I will show you an example of our UGV. So Dahua has UAV and UGV. For surface vessel and underwater vehicles, we don't have such products, but we have the UAV and UGV. Okay, so for the key difference or key differences between drones and UAVs, you will find that it has different range and flight time, and the autonomy of the UAV itself will be different, and the payloads, sometimes it will be different, and the communication module. So drones, you can say it's like for personal use, for small to medium size business use, but UAVs most of the time are for commercial use or for industrial use, or sometimes it will be customized to be for military use. So for UAVs, we have the UAVs that can help you with infrastructure monitoring, industrial inspections, for constructions, first response. Sometimes most of the countries now decided to have for the police, law enforcement, they have first response UEVs they can use, and also for agriculture application, and also for delivery. Delivery is also a very important topic that sometimes a lot of businesses they need to deliver products, but the cost of delivery sometimes it is not just financial cost. It's not easy to deliver. So using UEVs for delivering, it's very important. Also using UEVs for agriculture use, also very important. So I will show you what types or what models of UEVs we have, and also what kind of applications that can be used for. For industrial application, UEVs can be used for electrical power, inspection, and also for the public security. The first response can be used for security patrolling and for traffic management, emergency, rescue, and so on. And also it can be used for natural disasters, as a first response. If there is something going on and we need to double check, if we need to send more forces to there, we can use UEVs. It will be very fast as a response. For the pinpoint sometimes that our clients has, which is they have to do manual inspection, which is sometimes it's very expensive to do inspections, especially if we have large areas to inspect, and also the accuracy of the manual inspection and manual measurements sometimes is not as accurate as we need, as the client need. And also for the natural disasters, if we want to make inspections that we receive, like someone reported that there is a natural disaster in a specific area, we need to inspect. Also UEVs can be used for that. And for the blind spots, if you have a blind spots, as an example, there is a traffic incident and you cannot reach over there, you can send the UEV, it can cover these blind spots. And also for automated operations, you can configure the UEV systems to be fully automated, and it will help you to inspect the uneasy operations. And also it can work at night time, so day and night it has no issue at all to work day and night. So why do we use UEVs? First off, it's efficient, and it has intelligent analysis functions that we can rely on, and unified management. Dahua can provide the hardware, the software that can give you a unified management for such UEVs, and also it will give you a panoramic vision that can cover and help the UEV to implement the functions very accurately. And also it is equipped with the latest technology that can help you with vision, like high definition cameras and ultra high definition cameras and so on. And also it has a built-in RTK module which provide accurate data for industrial use. You can automate your jobs, you can configure and forget, and also it works, as we mentioned before, day and night, and it is timeline, like you can take advantage for as an example, the UEV spots something wrong, you can take a fast response, or you can take a decision very quick based on what you can see from the UEV output itself. So we provide for the UEV system, we provide the aircraft itself, and we provide multiple options of payload and management software that can be used in the command control center, and also it can be used inside the facility or remotely by mobile application. And also we provide different models of the remote controllers that can be used with our UEV solutions. So there are two different types of the UEV operation. We can have the unattended scheme, that this is, as an example, the command control center operator. This person can configure, one time, lots of tasks and upload it to the docking station that also we can provide. And the docking station will help the UAV itself to take off and land and charge and synchronize the data and provide, the proper communication to UAV. UAV will go execute the task, and then it can send live, streaming and live data to the control center to analyze. So whenever you upload the task to the docking station will handle the operation of the UAV. You don't have to interfere. Just finish configuration and upload all the tasks to the docking station and schedule everything you need. And the docking station will help you to operate the UAV in unattended scheme. The different scheme, which is remote controller scheme, also the operator himself can use a remote controller to control the UAV. And the best part is that the UAV is equipped with the latest technology of the transmission and the communication technology, like 5G connectivity. So you will be able to receive ultra high definition video stream from the UAV itself, and also all the analytical function that it is implemented inside the UAV. You can receive the output and data from UAV itself throughout the 5G connectivity. So now you have two modes. You have the unattended mode and the remote controller mode. So the core technology of this, we have the autonomous flight technology. It's intelligent, regarding object recognition, and also autonomous map localization. You can just, configure and upload the maps and GPS location, and the UAV itself will handle this. And efficient endurance, it's highly, reliable, equipped with highly reliable avionics and high efficiency power system, which can give you a flight time, based on the model of the UAV itself, as I will show you now. Also, you can go you can go up to 8K, resolution. As we mentioned before, most of the people have like confusion regarding HD and the difference between HD and the full HD and the Ultra HD, which is 4K. So Ultra HD is 4K, which is 8 megapixel resolution. Full HD, it is 2 megapixel resolution video stream. HD, we can say it's 1 megapixel or 1.3 megapixel resolution. So when it comes to 8K resolution, this is 32 megapixel resolution. So now you will be having the chance to cover, or to have a video stream up to 32 megapixel resolution, which will give you the chance to receive very or ultra clear images. Of course, this will help, the UAV itself to implement, the intelligent function, and to give you the chance to take, an accurate decision. Also, we provide a very sophisticated flight control that will give you an accurate and reliable flight control system you can rely on. And of course, if you have a payload of PTZ, this will increase, your chances of, the visual decision. And also, the PTZ itself equipped with high, accuracy PTZ mechanism. This will give you high precision, and also it will give you low latency target detection, especially if you activated, tracking for a specific target. Artificial intelligence will help you to track this or these types of targets. Communication network, which is the very important part. Our UAVs support 4G, 5G, and also it will give you a long distance, of data transfer. So industrial UAVs can give you up to 15 kilometers of high definition image. So you can control the UAV and make your inspection tasks, and you can control it up to 15 kilometers, and you will be able to receive a high definition image. The UAV itself can carry up to kilogram of load capacity, and the flight endurance can go up to 59 minutes. This is the expectation of the flight time. Of course, it will depend on what types of load you're having for for the UAV. And of course, the UAV itself, it has a very sophisticated infrared obstacle avoidance, systems that it is relying on IR technology and the millimeter wave radar. So you're having now different technologies for obstacle avoidance. So now you have multiple payloads with equipped with intelligence algorithms, and also you have a very reliable networking solution that can give you the flexibility to fly for long distance. And you're having different type of communication modules like 4G, 5G. Of course, there will be different Wi-Fi options. If we will discuss about the image and the transmission of image, you'll be having a real-time image of the UAV itself. And you will be having trajectory tracking. You will be able to track the flight and receive the flight data statistics from the UAV itself. And you will be having a multi-band frequency options like 1.4, 2.4, 5.1, and 5.8. These types of frequencies will give you the chance to efficiently remote control the UAV and also receive the data stream from the UAV. And of course, it can work day and night. As I will show you now, we have payloads that can support thermal, and bispectrum images. Of course, the flight control of the UAV itself, it has a navigation system that it is relying on GPS modules like different satellite or GPS systems, and also it has a very accurate positioning module like RTK module, which can be having the accuracy up to centimeter level, which will give you the precise positioning for the UAV itself. And these types of UAVs, the industrial one, can go up to 5 kilometers of altitude, which is very reliable, especially if you will cover long distance. And route planning, you will be having the chance for route planning that can give you the chance to specify multiple points, and the UAV can cover these points based on the route planning you already planned before. This is the docking station that Dahua has. So we provide the docking station with its communication module. Even this communication tower equipped with CCTV or video surveillance that can give you the chance to monitor your docking station, and also it can give you the chance to enhance the communication for the UAV. So this communication module can act as a communication tower and also a video surveillance tower for the docking station itself. So even if there is no one in the duty in the operation site itself, the UAV can work autonomously, and also it can do automatic takeoff and automatic landing precisely throughout the docking station. So the docking station will provide automatic charging and also automatic tasks. So all you have to do is just upload the tasks to the docking station, and the docking station will synchronize and control the UAV and help the UAV for landing and takeoff and also charging. And also it will act as a protection for the UAV, especially if the environment is not safe to operate or to store the UAV. You will be able to do remote management for the docking station and the UAV at the same time, and also the integrated design for the docking station will help to protect the UAV from extreme weather. These are the product family that Dahua provide, which is the 400 series. And as you see here, you will see that the flight time will be different from one model to another. So we have the 400 series, and we have the X400K series, and the X402 series, and the X465-4T series, and the X720 series. Each UAV has different specification and different flight time. And the latest model for industrial UAVs, we have the X1550 version 3, which is equipped with artificial intelligence, algorithms that can help the UAV itself to analyze, targets and track targets. And also we have the other modules of the UAVs, the V3540 and the V4350, that can reach up to 4 hours of flight time. Payloads, we have the 4K gimbal camera. It can give you an optical zoom of 25x, ultra high definition resolution. It's an optical PTZ camera, which is relying on a gimbal. And also we have the thermal camera. It has a focal length of 60 millimeter and with a high resolution of thermal resolution. And also we have the 3-lens gimbal camera, which has an optical lens and a thermal lens. Optical lens can be up to 40x of 4 megapixel resolution, and a thermal lens which can provide you, vision, a clear vision during night and day with 25 millimeters, and a laser lens that can give you ranging up to 1.5 kilometers. So if you have such a payload, you don't have to be worried about night, vision and day vision. Also, we have the 4K artificial intelligence gimbal, and all the artificial intelligence function, it is implemented inside the payload itself. So you have 8 megapixel 40x optical zoom with a people recognition and automatic number plate recognition. Imagine this, you're having a payload for the UAV which is having people recognition and automatic number plate recognition. All this done by the payload itself, the camera itself. Also, we have the dual lens gimbal. It has almost the same 4 megapixel resolution and 40x optical zoom, and the thermal lens. So this is dual lens and this is 3 lens. And we have the broadcasting gimbals. Of course, we have different payloads more than this, but these are the most common payloads. This is a broadcasting lens, which is almost the same as this one, the 4K AI gimbal, and equipped with a broadcasting, loud speaker that you can address, and broadcast messages for audience. It has a broadcast distance up to 500 meters. So as we see, the UAVs now can help you, especially if you have big area to monitor, borders monitoring, and with different options of payloads like 4K cameras and PTZ that can go up to 40x, and the payloads that has an artificial intelligence algorithms like AMPR and people recognition, that will help you if you're having a command control center and the area that you're monitoring is like 5 kilometers away. You can send the UAV and it can do inspection, it can do the analytical function for you and send all the results for you in a live mode at the control center. So that will help you a lot, especially when it comes to hazard areas and areas that can be very critical, for human to reach. This was like a brief about Dahua UGVs and the industrial UGVs we have. Inshallah, next week we will be having the UGV, the unmanned ground vehicles options that Dahua has. Thank you so much for following our live streaming, the Thursday one, which is English version. And inshallah, we'll see you very soon. Thank you so much.
The tide of digital intelligence has given new vitality to our generation. The interaction between data and intelligence constantly breaks the limitations of time and space. What you never thought of before is now becoming a reality. Dahua technology constantly adheres to innovative development and open cooperation, establishing the Dahua Think Sharp strategy to create more possibilities for urban digital innovation and digital intelligence transformation of enterprises. We empower cities with digital intelligence to make urban governance more efficient, make urban traffic smoother, travel more convenient, transportation safer, and operation more efficient by using sensing and scenario intelligence, effectively assisting every departure and arrival. Witness the beauty of nature and the growth of life with digital intelligence. Share a colorful world with everyone, and let people live in harmony with nature. Use connectivity and intelligence to detect hidden threats,